Friends, welcome to Data Gyan Academy. This is your one-stop channel for real Power BI interview questions, deep tax logic, and analytic concepts that actually get you hired. So today's topic is we are going through top 7 tax interview questions that nobody talks about, but hiring managers in product-based companies, consulting firms ask this question. So let us jump to the first question. What is a degenerate dimension in Power BI? Most people never hear this term, but it's actually simple. A degenerate dimension is a dimension that lives inside your fact table, like invoice number or transaction ID. You don't create a separate table for this, but you still use it in your visuals. It has no descriptive attributes, so it doesn't become a full blown dimension. The second question is when not to use Snowflake schema. Power BI supports Snowflake schemas, but should you use them? No. Snowflake schema has too many joins, but Power BI prefers flat star schema for speed and compression. If you break your dimension tables into multiple subtables, it may look neat, but it will kill your performance. So, we should avoid using Snowflake schemas wherever they are not used. Next, jump to the third question. What is a junk dimension and why to use it? You will often have columns like status showing active or inactive, or first purchase, which is yes or no, or you can say a payment method, cash or card. Instead of creating 5 separate lookup tables for these low cardinality flags, you group them into one junk dimension. It simplifies your model and keeps your relationships cleaner. The fourth question is what happens when you misuse bidirectional filters? Bidirectional filters look cool, but they are very dangerous. Now, why? Because they can create a circular relationships, wrong totals, or even performance issues in larger models. A note has been provided into this. Use them only when you truly needs cross filtering, like in role based security or discontinued models. If you don't fully understand it, don't enable it by default also. So it is very dangerous to use bidirectional filters. The fifth question is bridge table in one to many. Now, most people think bridge tables are only for many to many, but even one to many can require it. For example, if you see here, we have a customers table. Into that, we have created a bridge for sales report to build flexible reports without duplicating the data. So sometimes you may come across in such a situation where one to many also may require bridge table. The next question is what is granularity mismatch? Granularity mismatch means your table don't match in level of detail. For example, if you see here, your sales table is at daily level, but your target table is at monthly level. If you try to join them directly, results may go wrong. To fix this, we go by aggregating or expanding to match both the tables. The next question is role-playing dimensions versus inactive relationships. Now, if you see, your sales table may have multiple dates such as order date, ship date or delivery date. But your date table can only have one active relationship. To use the others, you have to keep them inactive and activate them using user relationship function in your measures. This is how your role playing dimensions can be used. Same table used in different roles. These were some of the 7 real world Power BI data modeling questions that can decide whether you are shortlisted or no. If you learned from this, hit the like button, comment with the question, and subscribe for the next video. This is Data Gyan Academy, helping you build clarity and confidence in every interview. Thank you.